sparking a career in welding. The welding program at May River High School recently had several students earn some top certifications. 20 students are now American Welding Society certified welders. It's a nationally recognized certification, and during the test, students had to show off their welding skills.
Basically, we just had to lay a 1F weld where you just go like 3 inches, stop, and try to connect the weld as good as you can, get it a whole good weld, make sure it's touching both plates.
Consistent pattern and consistent size, and making sure it doesn't have any holes in the weld or if it looks strong.
Last week, a representative from Tyco Terminal Manufacturing in Ridgeland also tested the welding students. 58 students passed that test and are now qualified and certified to be welders with the company.
Tyco Terminal is a manufacturing. They build the jockey trucks and the trailers for the Savannah ports and all the ports in the East Coast.
The students say they really like welding and hope to have a future in the industry.
To me, it means I can make more money in the welding industry, and that it's basically a big accomplishment for me. I'm planning on starting my own welding business and doing that with a couple other kids from here.
Welding, it takes your focus off of everything else that you're more worried about in life and just laying it on that piece of metal, just burning through all the problems and everything. It's just like the best feeling when you lay that good weld down and it just looks perfect.
The instructor is proud of all of his students and hopes these certifications will help them with their future plans.
These types of certifications, one, is flattering, knowing that they've taken something that I've given them and created a future for themselves. Is amazing all in itself. But now they can take these pieces of paper or this knowledge and this information and go out into the workforce and be successful.
At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.